bang, bang. What?
There were 3 of us there when a birthday group came in, and we just kind of joined in on it. Most of the kids and some of the adults weren't calling the pets, but they're new to the sport, so we really didn't make a big fuss about it.
Oh, I think so.
He did hit me.
Nice.
I'm just not sure if it ricocheted off my gun and hit me in the neck, or if it was just a piece of a BB fragment that hit a piece of my gear and I didn't feel it and it hit me. But I just went ahead and called myself out.
Thank you. Alright. Hit, 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 hit. Oh, right on the ankle. Good job. Alright. I'm not trying to strobe. It's just the way the switch. Alright. I thought you were out. I guess not. Dead man. Oh, nice. Dead man. Dead man coming through. Hit. I got you. Ready? All right. Hit. Nice headshot. Hit. shit. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Hit, hit. Dead man walking. Nice. Yep, and you got me on the hand. Nice shot. All right, go, go, go. Just find somebody.
This is my Magpul PTS Masada ACR with the Wolverine SMP kit, a Prometheus type bolt barrel, and a Prometheus soft type bucking. The magazines are the new PTS EPM magazines, which were great. I couldn't be more happier with them. And of course, I got some external furniture, but I chose the Masada over a M4 AK because it's different and it's unique and it's light. And I thought it'd make it even more unique if I put a Wolverine SMP in it. I have owned a Polar Star before in a M249 saw, and I liked it. I heard about the SMP coming out, so I pre-ordered one from Bingo Airsoft, and I got it in, tried it out. It's a lot more air efficient, and I just love it. So I ended up selling my Polar Star and buying one to put in my saw, just to kind of give you an idea of how much I liked it. So if you're thinking about getting one, I highly recommend that you get one. You won't regret it. I was shooting at that propane tank on top of the blue barrel, but I saw a little fire sensor sign about the size of your hand just to the left of it. I thought it'd be a little harder of a target to shoot, but I was right on the money.
And by the way, these magazines are 150 rounds. And just so you know, on the rate of fire, you got to adjust it with the flathead. And right now I got it pointing straight up and down, which is 50% of the way. So I can still turn it a whole half a turn, but I don't think there's anything out there that can keep up with it.
I had considered doing the SMP install on the Masada on my own, but after watching several YouTube videos, particularly from Deranged Airsoft, where I had to ground the gearbox and splice cables, real precise work, it was just something I wasn't real fond of doing on my own, so I ended up having it sent off to Bingo Airsoft, and his work quality is just outstanding. The SMP was installed in a KWA M4, but I have it installed now in this Masada, and this is the first time that I've used my Masada, and I'm very pleased with the way it's turned out.
Last mag. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll see you up at high ground.